Okay, so we're back, and I've been figuring out. I'm noticing actually some bugs on 2016, so I need to explain that as I go. I don't think where you guys are working in 2015, I don't think there's going to be an issue, but see, I'm going to get this. This is a flat piece because we extracted that from the previous mesh, and I'm going to go to my custom view and toolbar, and then center the pivot point and Alt H to isolate it. See, when you have a piece with all these subdivisions and you just select it and you want to extract it, so you want to extract the faces, usually it should extract. And now I'm getting an error. If you get this error, you go down, you want to extract everything, but you also want the faces not to be together. So this is on, so you want to go off. So once I do that, I do another extract, and now it separates the faces. You can see I can actually, they're all separated, but we are on a very strange angle, so therefore our pivot point is a little bit messed up. So I'm going to leave it here before I start rotating these pieces together. Now before I do anything, I'm just going to select these guys that are like separated, and I'm going to merge them. So I'm going to combine them and merge. So I'm using the combine tool and the merge tool. So the merge tool is like the merge vertices tool. So I'm combining and merging. Select, combine, merge. Select, combine and merge. And this, combine and merge. Okay, so now I have all these pieces inside a group. So let's see where they are. So these guys should be all of these guys. Actually, the best way to organize sometimes is to select all these pieces, and you see them. They're in separate areas inside the outliner. You can group them. So when you group them, they kind of get in a group, and the group goes all the way to the end of the outliner. And then you can ungroup them if you want. So that kind of brings them all in the same area in the outliner ungroup. So now that they're all organized at the end. Now these guys, if I want to center their pivot points, now they are on a very strange angle. So what we need to do is to go and fix this pivot point. So if I go and edit the pivot point if you double click on the rotate tool and you edit the pivot point of the rotation tool, you can actually start rotating it, so you can line it up sort of so it's straight. So this is kind of an eyeballing thing because we are obviously on a different. So all the pivots now are being lined up, so then you click on edit pivot again and you go back to normal mode, and you want to just give it like some angle. So I want to do a little bit of an angle here, like something like we used before, like we can't really tell exactly. It might be more exaggerated because it's on an angle. And also I'm going to press R to scale it, so they overlap a little bit, and then I'm going to extrude all of them all together. So when extruding them, I'm going to go and just get them so they're like so that's exactly what I want. This, because it's on an angle, unfortunately, to do it perfectly. Other ways could be just do it on upright position and then angle that and fit it into the box. So I'm going to go ahead and show last hidden. So now I got both of these pieces. I'm going to save this scene as building 4. Continue. And I'm going to just select that piece, and for that piece I'm going to go ahead and select that, Alt H. Let's extract. Now if this doesn't work, we're going to go down to the extract command make sure that these are off. On or off also is represented by 1 or 0. So 0 is off. Or actually, we want them on. No, we want them off actually, yeah. Keep faces together off. And this didn't work. And do another extract. And now these are good. Now I think I'm in an upright. I'm like I'm on a. If I go to the top view, yeah, I think I'm in a position that I can actually rotate these together. So select the rotation tool and rotate them. Give them like a. I think what I used to have is about 4 degrees. -4. And scale them up so they can overlap a little bit, and then extrude right about there. Okay, so now of course we get this little piece that basically is we're gonna deal with that a little bit later, because in the image it's just like a piece that is like sort of extruded and holding and kind of dividing these pieces all together. So I'm gonna go Control-Shift-H, and so that's the shell. Oh, we have one more piece. Let me just finish that, and then I do the same thing. Edit, Mesh, Extract. Do it one more time. I need to go down here. 0. As we said, we have to like select that and extract. Now this seems to be on an angle 2, or actually it's fine. So let's see the angle. So let's do 4 again. Let's scale and extrude. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back, Control-Shift-H, and the shell is done. I'm gonna stop the video here.